Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the strategy I've been trying out for days now, and trust me, this strategy has given me a very good winning rate. I have over 90% winning rate with this particular trade. As you can see on the screen, this is the result I've gotten so far from this particular strategy. So I have to come over right here and show you guys what this particular strategy is all about. And so guys, I want you to watch this video to the end because each trade I'm going to be entering, I'm going to be giving you a specific information you really need to apply to each of those trades using this strategy. So guys, this video comes with three indicators. It comes with the moving average right here, it comes with MACD and also stochastic oscillator. So right away, I have two moving average right here, the settings of the first moving average in the input section right here, the period I make use of 10, the moving average I make use of SMA, and right here in the style level in the main line I'm going to be choosing a particular color and I'm going to be using 2 pixels. So when I'm done, I'm going to click on save. The next moving average comes with the input level of 5, moving average as SMA right here. So in the style level I'm going to be choosing green color and I'm going to be using 2 pixels. So when I'm done, I'm just going to click on save. So after that, I'm going to come over to the MACD level, the settings of my MACD. The first period I have 8, slow period I have 20, the signal period I have 8. Coming down to my style level, I actually use those colors and I actually placed the width level at 2 pixels each. So you can actually pause this and look through the settings right here. And after that, I'm going to click on save. So right away to our stochastic oscillator at level, I'm actually going to be using the K period at 15, the D period as 4, floating period at 6, and the moving average I'm going to be using SMA. So right here on the star level, I'm going to be using these particular colors, and these particular colors are going to be on 2 pixels each. Right here, I'm going to be using 80 and I'm going to be using 20. So ensure you pause this video to see those settings, and when you're done, you can save. So that is just pretty all we really have for we actually consider entering a trade. So this is how the strategy works. Firstly, you must be able to see your moving average intersect, giving you an uptrend confirmation in the buy trade, and also your MACD must be able to give you the same direction, and our stochastic oscillator must also intersect, giving you the same direction. So when we have these three confluences confirming a trend, that is when you can actually enter the trade. The strategy is very simple and it is very powerful as well. We're going to be using 5-minute trade time, and right here we're going to be using 2-minute time frame. We're going to be using hike and Ashi candlestick, and that is pretty all you need to see before you enter trade. So guys, I'm going to go into the market right away. If I see an opportunity in the market, I'm going to come back and explain to you what you need to see before you enter trade. So guys, we've gotten a strong buy opportunity right here. So let's actually enter for $20 right here. If you've seen right here, what makes me to actually enter this trade is really much simple. As you can see, our moving average has actually crosses over right here. We also see our MACD crossing over at this particular level, and also right here, our stochastic oscillator is also crossing over at this. This is actually a very good confirmation for me to know that this particular market is actually going on an uptrend confirmation. I hope you are getting it right. Not only that, again, as you can see right here, the market structure has been claiming to come as a lower low, lower high, lower low. So we expect the market to go as a lower high before the market down. I hope you're getting it right. So these are actually reasons why I actually entered this trade. As I've said earlier on, this strategy is a very simple and powerful strategy. So guys, let's wait and see what the market has to offer to us in the next 3 minutes. So guys, we have 20 seconds to go. This is actually a very good strategy, as I've said initially, a very good one. So let's see what the market has to offer in the next 8 seconds. So as you can see right here, we're actually on a profit at this particular level. So this is actually a very good one on this particular trade. As I've said initially, you must always ensure that your moving average crosses over, giving you a confirmation of an uptrend if you are going on a higher trade. Also, your MACD must be able to cross this over as well, giving you the same confirmation with your stochastic oscillator. So this is a very good one. So another thing I really want you to notice is that you must be able to ensure that you're placing your trade on a very strong candlestick, because very strong candlestick indicate that there are more liquidity in the market for the market to tap in order to move towards a particular direction. I hope you're getting that right. So guys, I'm going to go into the market again. If I found another opportunity, I'll come down and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, we found another opportunity in the market. So I'm going to be going for $50 in this particular trade. I'm going for $50 in this particular trade. So I'm actually buying on this trade because this is actually a very good moment for us to enter a trade and see our moving average giving us a crossover right here, giving us an uptrend confirmation. The same thing with our MACD right here. The MACD is actually giving us an uptrend confirmation. Our stochastic oscillator as well is giving us the same confirmation. That is the reasons why I enter a trade, and as you can see, those candlesticks are actually very strong candlesticks in the market. So that is actually a very good confirmation that this particular market will go on an uptrend. So that is the reason why I actually entered the trade. So guys, let's wait and see what the market will play out in the next 4 minutes and 3 seconds. So guys, we have 27 seconds to go. So I actually advise you guys, if you're actually trading this strategy, to ensure you're actually using GMT time. Hope you're getting it. As you can see right here, we're actually on a profits at this particular level. So this strategy is a very good strategy. I advise you guys to trade this strategy between 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. GMT time. That is the perfect time to actually trade this particular strategy. The market is stable as at that time, and you can be able to find a very good opportunity in the market. So guys, I'll be going into the market now. If I'm able to find an opportunity in the market, I'll come back and explain to you what you need to see before you enter. So guys, we found an opportunity right here for a higher trade, but our indicators have not fully given us a full confirmation. Our stochastic oscillator has given us a confirmation. Our MACD is also going through giving us a confirmation, but our moving average is yet to give us a confirmation to enter this particular trade. So with that, we'll be able to wait till the market gives us a very good opportunity into the market. I hope you're getting that right. So guys, you can see right here, after the long and forth of the trade, we're going to be entering in this trade because we've gotten a total confirmation right here. I'm going to be entering with $100 on this particular trade. And as you can see right here, what makes me to enter this trade is really simple. As you can see right here, our moving average later crosses on this particular level. Our MACD crosses over, giving us a strong uptrend confirmation. We also got a confirmation from our stochastic oscillator, giving us an uptrend confirmation as well. This is actually one of the major reasons why I actually entered this particular trade. And you can see this bullish strong candle we have right here. This is a very good indication that this market will go on an uptrend confirmation. So guys, let's wait and see what the market has to offer for us in the next 4 minutes, 3 seconds. So guys, we're actually on a profit at that particular level right here. This is actually a very slight, opportunity we have right here. That is the reason I always advise you to use a 5 minute time frame, because the market will be able to consolidate and yet you'll be on profit at the end. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, I'm going to go into the market again and find an opportunity. When I see an opportunity in the market, I'm going to come back and explain to you what you need to see for trade. So guys, we have an opportunity right at this particular level. I'm going to enter for a trade. I'm going to enter this trade with $150. $150 buy in this particular trade. You can see guys, our moving average intersects at this particular level. The same thing with our MACD, it also intersects, and our stochastic accelerator also intersected, giving us an uptrend on this particular market. So that was the reasons why I entered the trade. So guys, let's see what the market needs to offer in the next 4 minutes and 30 seconds. So guys, we have 3 seconds to close this particular trade. As you can see right here, we're actually profit at this particular level. So guys, from $64 or $65 to $307, this is a perfect strategy right here. So guys, I want you to try it on a demo account for like 2 days. When you're done with the demo account, then the result you see there would rather change your mind if you're going to use it on a real account or not. I advise you, as I've said, to ensure you download a GMT clock on your phone or in the system, and right away there you'll be able to ensure you start trading between 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. GMT time. So guys, that is just what you need to enter the trade, because I actually go through different time zone and I discovered that this particular time I've made mention is the best time to actually trade this particular strategy. So guys, I want you to try this strategy and let me know in the comment section. So guys, if you like this video, do ensure you subscribe to this channel, do ensure you like this video, do ensure you share this video to your loved ones so that they will be able to see the value you're actually gaining on this channel. So I see you again in another video guys. Keep trading and bye.